Nurse Paul, I'm concerned about Mr. George's condition. He's been admitted to the hospital for several days, and I haven't received any updates on his progress.
I apologize for the oversight, Mihira. Mr. George's condition has stabilized, but he's still receiving treatment for his underlying medical issues.
I understand. I'm eager to know when he can be transferred back to the care home.
We're working with the hospital staff to determine the best time for discharge. Once he's stable and able to manage his care independently, we can arrange for his transfer.
That's important. We need to ensure he has the necessary support in place upon his return.
We'll coordinate with his family and the home health agency to ensure a smooth transition. We'll also provide any necessary equipment or supplies, Mihira.
That's excellent. I want to ensure Mr. George receives the best possible care, both in the hospital and upon his return to the care home.
That's good to hear you didn't hit your head or lose consciousness, Mihira. Sometimes, falls can be a one-off, but other times, there might be underlying reasons that contribute to them. For example, some common factors can include changes in vision or even side effects from certain medications you might be taking. Low blood pressure, which can make you feel dizzy, is another possibility. Beyond that, the environment in our homes can play a big role. Things like slippery floors, loose rugs, or even the type of footwear we wear can contribute. I was wondering if any of these sound like they might have played a part for you.